Are you a makeup artist? Don't fall for it. Don't waste your money buying high-end expensive makeup for your pro makeup kit, and I'm going to be telling you exactly why. Hey guys, welcome to the Adobe Beauty channel. My name is Adobe and I'm a bridal makeup artist, wig maker, and educator. And I share tips and tutorials that help makeup artists book more clients and become more confident in their artistry. So if you're interested in elevating your makeup artistry, be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave me a comment below telling me what topics on makeup artistry you would like me to discuss next. In this video, I'll be talking you through why you should not buy high-end brands for your pro makeup kit, especially if you're a beginner makeup artist or a makeup artist who isn't making a lot of money yet from your makeup artistry. But before we get into all the gems that I have for you, I've got to start with this disclaimer. I'm not saying that high-end brands are bad or that they shouldn't be in your pro makeup kit as a makeup artist. I'm just saying that you shouldn't rush off just yet to stock up your pro makeup kit with high-end brands until you know all that I'm about to share with you in this video. So let's get into it. If you're a beginner makeup artist who is just starting out with your makeup artistry, or maybe you've been a makeup artist for a while now, but you're just not making a lot of money yet in your makeup artistry, you should not buy high-end makeup for your pro makeup kit because it is expensive. If you're a new makeup artist or you're not making a lot of money yet as a makeup artist, you most likely don't have a big budget or a lot of money for building your pro makeup kit. Makeup products and makeup tools don't come cheap. So if you're not yet making a lot of money from your makeup artistry, it wouldn't be wise or even advisable to jump into buying high-end brands that are pricey and really expensive for your makeup kit. Instead, at this point, it is best to focus on quality products that are not at that high price point. And even if you do have a lot of money at your disposal as a beginner makeup artist, I still wouldn't recommend that you invest in high-end makeup products at this point because there are other aspects of your makeup artistry that need to be invested in if you'd like to grow your makeup business and start making more money as a makeup artist. I have a free guide for makeup artists where you will learn how to choose the best makeup products and makeup tools for your pro makeup kit. And I even take it a step further in this free guide and I show you the exact makeup products and tools that you should add to your beginner pro makeup kit. And I'm going to be linking this free guide in the description box below. So just click the link below and grab your free guide. Another reason why you should not stock up on high-end brands if you're a new or beginner makeup artist is that it's very likely that since you're just starting out with your makeup artistry, you don't know yet how to fully use this product to get the best results on clients. There's this misconception that high-end products equal flawless makeup application, but that is just a misconception. It is false. More than anything else, your product knowledge and correct makeup application techniques are what will produce the stunning results on your clients and have them booking you for your makeup services. At this point in your makeup artistry, especially if you haven't yet developed the skill set to properly utilize these products, it will be a waste of your money to invest in high-end brands at this point. And it will also be a disservice to your makeup artistry to invest in high-end makeup products at this point in your makeup business. So when I decided that I was going to be a makeup artist back in 2012, 2013, I decided that I was going to invest in mostly high-end makeup products and makeup tools for my pro makeup kit. Nobody was telling me anything because I believed that if I was to be taken seriously as a makeup artist, I needed to have these expensive makeup products in my makeup kit, right? Also, adding to this mindset was the fact that The makeup artists that I looked up to at the time were already established makeup artists who were making a lot of money from their makeup businesses. So they could afford to buy the expensive makeup products and makeup tools that they wanted for their pro makeup kit. And what happened was I emulated and I sought out to build my pro makeup kit with the high-end makeup products that were trending and being used by these makeup artists that I admired. And what I didn't realize at the time was that I wasn't making as much money yet in my makeup artistry. In fact, at that time, I wasn't making any money for my makeup artistry. And so I couldn't afford that kind of makeup kit at the time. And think about it. This is what happens a lot of the time with new or beginner makeup artists. In fact, with all makeup artists in general, sometimes you just get caught up in what other makeup artists are doing, what they're using or what trends are out there, instead of focusing on what a makeup artistry is in need of at the time. So I say all of this to say that if you're a beginner makeup artist, or even if you've been a makeup artist for some time now, but you just aren't making quite a lot of money yet in your makeup artistry, investing in high-end makeup products for your makeup kit shouldn't be the focus at this point in your makeup business. And I have another video where I talk about the types of investments that you should focus on at the beginning of your makeup artistry. I'm going to be linking that video as well in the description box, so be sure to watch that so that you can have more clarity about how to go quickly or things that you can do to go quickly as a makeup artist. Another reason you should not buy high-end makeup products for your pro makeup kit if you're a beginner makeup artist or you're just not making a lot of money yet from your makeup artistry is that some other less expensive makeup products can produce the same results as the high-end makeup products. And this goes back to my previous point about product knowledge. So being knowledgeable about your makeup products, understanding how they feel, how they work, how they wear will help you produce more beautiful makeup application on clients. So at this point, instead of rushing into buying expensive makeup products for your pro makeup kit, focus on being more knowledgeable about makeup products. Learn how to use and work with less expensive products so that you can know how to achieve the best results with them. And in the long run, this will help you become a stronger and more versatile makeup artist. Here is another reason why you should not buy high-end makeup products for your makeup kit. If you're a beginner makeup artist or if you're a makeup artist who isn't making a lot of money yet from your makeup artistry, clients don't necessarily care about what brands you carry. Yeah, the gag is that your clients don't really care about what makeup products you carry in your pro makeup kit. Some of the things that they do care more about are your skills, how you make them look and how you make them feel during their makeup session with you. Clients want to look good, they want to feel good. So they don't necessarily care about what you have or don't have in your pro makeup kit. What's most important to them is how you make them look and feel during their time with you. So as a makeup artist, you should be focusing and really invested in making your clients look stunning with whatever makeup products and makeup tools you may have at the time in your kit. Focus on making clients feel great, and you will find that they will keep booking and referring you for your makeup services. And that way, your makeup artistry starts to grow. You start to make more money as a makeup artist to the point where you can afford all that you'd like to have in your pro makeup kit. And just in case you didn't get it from the previous points that I've made in this video, I hate to break it to you, but carrying high-end brands in your pro makeup kit will not make you a better makeup artist. Like I previously said, it's not the products that make you a good makeup artist. The products won't automatically make your makeup application on clients flawless. It's how much you know about the products and what you can do with the products that make you a good makeup artist. So click the link in the description box below to grab your free makeup kit building guide for makeup artists so that you can get to building your quality pro makeup kit that will help you achieve flawless makeup on your clients. And I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on high-end brands for pro makeup kits? Are they a must-have for your makeup kit or are they not very necessary? Let's keep this conversation going down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up on this video. I appreciate you for spending time with me and I'll see you soon. Bye.